Ethereum's stablecoin supply just smashed through $180 billion, locking in 60% of the entire market, a major sign of where crypto capital is concentrating. Over the past 3 years, stablecoin volume on Ethereum jumped 150%, fueling DeFi, trading, and tokenized assets. With institutions now testing Ethereum for real-world assets, up to $1.7 trillion could flow into blockchains in the next 4 years if this trend holds. For the third time since the ceasefire, Bitcoin has hit resistance at $73,000, stalling the market's bullish momentum. Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin all slipped, as analysts say a clear break above $75,000 is needed for a sustained rally. Geopolitical risks and the partially open Strait of Hormuz continue to weigh on sentiment, with traders watching for a diplomatic breakthrough to unlock the next move. State-sponsored hackers are now registering real U.S. LLCs and posing as blockchain firms to deliver malware to unsuspecting developers. The Lazarus group from North Korea created fake companies, forged CEO identities, and used GitHub typo-squatting to trick developers into installing remote access Trojans. Experts warn that these advanced tactics give attackers full control over victims, machines, highlighting the urgent need for caution when downloading code, even from seemingly legitimate sources. Hackers exploited off-chain credentials to steal about 50.9 BTC, worth $3.66 million, from Bitcoin Depot's settlement accounts. The breach didn't affect customer-facing systems, but it spotlights ongoing risks in crypto's off-chain infrastructure. This incident underscores why robust cybersecurity remains crucial for digital asset operations. A massive $30 million Dogecoin transfer just hit the blockchain, and it's not what most traders expect. Robinhood shifted over 327 million Doge from cold storage to a hot wallet, preparing for Doge Day liquidity. Meanwhile, large holders are withdrawing Doge for self-custody, reducing exchange sell pressure and potentially supporting the price. A $1.6 billion Ponzi scheme, disguised as health tech company Verily HK, moved massive USDT funds through TRON, Blocksec reveals. On-chain analysis traced complex wallet layers, with connections to laundering group Huione. The scam operated for 16 months, exploiting TRON's high-volume USDT ecosystem. Bitcoin's recent surge to $72,000 is now shadowed by a surge in phantom leverage, a risk that could trigger a price reversal. Derivatives traders are aggressively buying, but the lack of new USDT inflow means the rally is built on shaky ground. Analysts warn that without fresh capital, profit-taking could quickly erase gains, so caution is advised in this volatile market. YouTube just deleted Bitcoin.com's channel overnight, wiping out a decade of crypto education without warning. The crypto community is outraged, pointing to ongoing scam ads and a pattern of bans hitting major channels, pushing creators toward decentralized alternatives. Platforms like BitChat, Nostr, and Blue Sky are gaining traction as trust in centralized moderation collapses. Even as Trump-linked meme coins nosedive, the exclusive Mar-a-Lago Gala for top Trump holders is making waves. Trump is set to attend the event on April 25th, but both Trump and Melania coins have plunged over 90% since their peaks. Community reactions swing between sarcasm and hope, spotlighting the risks of celebrity-driven crypto. Elon Musk's X Money will launch in April 2026 without Dogecoin support, stripping Doge of its main payment utility. Doge price fell to 9 cents, erasing hopes for a breakout, while capital shifts toward DeFi hedge funds offering profit sharing and yield. With no protocol revenue or payment use, Doge now relies solely on meme momentum, as investors seek income-driven alternatives in the evolving crypto landscape. Long-term Bitcoin holders have quietly amassed 4.37 million BTC, tightening supply, just as network activity hits an 8-year low. This accumulation, while prices stayed below $70,000, signals a market shift from short-term traders to committed holders. With fewer coins on exchanges and the network activity index entering a bull phase, even modest demand could spark significant price movement. Binance's decision not to sell its $1.6 billion Luna during Terra's historic collapse reveals the high-stakes risk management behind the scenes. CZ explained that selling would have worsened the panic, was technically near impossible, and could have damaged Binance's reputation. This move shaped industry risk practices and global regulation, highlighting the power and responsibility of major exchanges.